If you want to be more precise with your content inside of GIMP, then you may want to consider using grids. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto the view menu, and then you can see that show grid is an option right here. So once you go around and show the grid, you can see that you get smaller chunk of squares right here where you can go around and place out the contents. If I were to go around over here onto, let's say for example, view right here, then this is what you have. This is the grid, as you can see right here. So you can go around and hide it out as well, and then go around over here and show it out as well. So what this is useful for is for the placement of contents. Let's say for example, if I were to go around and then let's say for example draw a text box right here just like this, I can go around and place it out wherever I want. So let's just go around, and then I'm going to go around and type in, let's say for example test right here just like this. Let me just go around and resize this out as well just like this around over here. So this is what you have, as you can see. So this is the text box, as you can see right here. So let's go around and then take up this particular space right here. So now if I were to go around over here onto let's say the move tool right here, now what I can do is I can place it wherever I want right here. Let's say for example I want to place it out right here, I can just go around and take this reference. What you can also do is you can enable out snap to grid option so that it snaps out on that particular spot, and now I can place it anywhere as I want, as you can see right here. But if I were to go around and then enable snap to grid right here just like this, then what happens is that it simply snaps onto the grid, as you can see right here just like this. So it simply snaps out right here. So it really becomes easier for placement. So let's say for example, if I were to go around and duplicate out the layer, I can simply go around and click and drag, and you can see that there's a certain number of space of snapping right here just like this. So I can simply go around and place it out right here. And if I were to go around and duplicate this out right here, then you can see that I can simply go around and snap it out right here just like this, and duplicate out this layer and go around and snap it out right here. And you can see that they are all going around, and then you can see that they all have this a particular grid-like structure right here just like this, and it becomes easier for alignment of the objects. And that is how you can utilize the grid and snap to grid option inside of GIMP. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always please like, comment, share and subscribe.